I remember when we used to sit in a government garden church town, observing the hypocrites as they would mingle with the good people we meet. Good friends we've had, good friends we've lost, we're along the way. But in this bright future you can't forget your past, so dry your tears, I say.